Hi there, I'm Matt Hardy from DeusO, and we're here doing some promotion for the AES70 protocol. We're involved in writing a number of implementations of the AES70 protocol. We're covering C++, a JavaScript controller, and a .NET controller for Windows platform. So what we're doing here is showing some research and development work that we've done to demonstrate how small the AES70 protocol can be. And so we've got some R&D examples here of 1 kilobyte OCA, which is effectively powering a couple of LEDs. It's a full, they're actually off right now, but the other one to the left here is a network latency performance example evaluation that gives a round trip, and a round trip for latency. And the last one we have is a downloadable example of an AES70 implementation against the ELSA sound driver. And this one is something that can be downloaded and run on your own network. We can play around with the UI that we're also doing, and you can see that the Pi is controlled using AES70. So from an R&D point of view, this is fun, but the actual products that we're working with other companies on involve public announcement systems and other speaker and arrangements with many different UIs. AES70JS is the JavaScript controller that web UI can connect to the device side. And that's it. So the website is deuso.de, and